Welcome to Cooking with Quinn. Today we are going to make leprechaun cupcakes. First, we wash our hands. We're using a box of cake mix. We need 1 cup of water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. I got a bowl. So first, we need to put this cake mix in there.
Cameraman, what are you doing?
What do we need next? 1 cup. We're going to add 1 cup of water. We need half a cup of vegetable oil. That's enough. I did poop. And that's done. Now I need some eggs. Let's wash our hands again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Next time, won't you sing with me? Bye! We're gonna mix this on medium speed for 2 minutes. Get your cupcake pan and get your cupcake batter. Put some liners in the pocket and then pour your cupcake batter inside them. I'm gonna do it right now. Now we're done with that. We're gonna put it in the oven. Now we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. Now we're gonna take them out and let them cool. They're nice and golden brown, which is probably a good sign. Now I'm gonna get a toothpick out and check them. You put a toothpick in. If it's messy, then it's not cooked enough. But if it's clean, then you leave it. Clean. Time to wash our hands. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, cupcakes cooled. And now we're gonna make some frosting. So you need 2 softened pieces of butter. We're gonna beat them on medium for a couple of minutes. Our butter is creamy. Now we're gonna add 3 cups of powdered sugar. Now we're gonna mix it at the low setting, which is 1. Time to wash your hands. My Little Pony. We're gonna add salt, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. Now we're gonna whip on medium for 2 minutes. Aww. Can you do it? We just finished making our frosting and splitting it into 2 different bowls. Now we're going to put food coloring in both of the bowls, yellow and green. Maya, which step do you think we should use?
I don't know, what do you want your cupcakes to look like?
Not that one.
Not that one.
We have to use this one now. Why? Time to wash your hands. We put our frosting inside our piping bags and picked up the tips, and now I'm going to serve these ones on the plate.
Wash your hands.
I'm gonna take my horse to the uptown road and gonna run till I can't no more. Guys, is that good or not? Okay, if you bake something, don't share it. Because I'm going to eat these all. Bye.